In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to invert colors in Canva. So the first thing that you need to do is log into your Canva account, and you'll either be taken to the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Now, from wherever you are, locate the left-hand menu of options and click on projects. Now, when you are inside the projects dashboard, look for the specific project that you would like to invert colors for, click on it, and when you do, Canva will open it in a new window inside of Canva's design editor. Now, when you have your image or your object available, simply click on the image or the object, and a top row menu of options will appear. Simply click on edit, and an edit image side peek will appear. From here, under tools, click on adjust, and when you do this, you'll need to scroll down until you find the color section, and there'll be an invert toggle switch that will be off. All you need to do is click on the toggle to invert the colors of the image or the object. So we can do it for the second one as well. Click on the image, click on edit in the top, go to adjust, and then we scroll down and we find the color section, and simply click on invert, and the colors will be inverted. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if you had any struggles or issues along the way, or there's something you can't find, please feel free to leave any questions that you may have in the comments section below, and I will respond to them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video.